donated a prize for our raffle for a ride in his Stearman, and that'd be something because you get to actually have the bugs in your teeth because it's an open cockpit. So something to think about. Our tickets are $2 each, and I think we'll be able to For those that just got here, yes, they are micro turbine engines, single stage turbine engines. They burn either Jet A or triple filtered kerosene from Canadian Tire with 5% turbine oil in them. They are radio control models. They are not UAVs because they are controlled by transmitters on the ground. As I was saying earlier today, we have pilots all the way in from Washington, from Manitoba, from BC, from Edmonton, and from Calgary. Nobody from Calgary's flown yet. I wish those bums would.
Yeah, I went up 1,500 feet since the black box was moving out a little bit. It came back down, straight down, full power, full way down. I pulled out 30 feet off the down. And these were twisted. It wasn't. It was a gentle radius corner, so it might have been 3 or 4. But what happened was
a minute, some of them only down to about 9 ounces a minute or less. We have turbine engines that actually run on computers, small microprocessors, and that's what makes the engine accelerate, start, and stop. There are more reasons for a radio-controlled turbine engine to shut down than to keep it going. It's always monitoring temperatures, it's monitoring fuel flows, so we always got to stay on top of this to make sure our equipment is in really good shape and always in good working order. See, that looks like a heart. That's a nice touchdown by Mike. Give him a hand.